Hello and welcome to Lasa.Africa. Today we'll do our product assembly of our LSA-WARD. Let's go ahead and open up the box. For our first step, we'll be needing 3 parts T3, 4 parts H67, 4 parts H40, 1 part J1 and 1 part J2. Let's go ahead and assemble. For our next step, we'll be needing 4 parts H40 and 2 parts H80. Let's go ahead and assemble. For our next step, we'll be needing a J2, 4 H40s and 2 T3s. Let's assemble now. For our next step, we'll be creating a platform as we did in step 1. We'll be needing 3 T3s, 4 H67s, our J1 and J2. Only difference now, we'll be needing 8 of our H40s. Let's go ahead and assemble now. For our next step, we'll be needing 12 pieces of our H40s, 2 pieces of our H80, our T3s again, our set, and a J2. Let's go ahead and assemble. For our next step, we'll be creating another platform as within step 1. We'll be needing our H67 4Ps, H40 4Ps, our 3 T3s, and our J1 and J2. Let's assemble now. For our next step, we'll be needing our brackets B, our bolts D, as well as our 2 poles F63 and the provided Allen key. Let's go ahead and assemble now. For our last step, this is an optional step. That's the anti-tipping bracket. Please refer to our manual on how to install this. Thank you so much for watching along our product assembly video of our LSA-WARD. Please visit us on www.lasa.africa for more product assembly videos and reviews. Thank you.